Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Fiverr affiliate program for freelance lead referrals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with the Fiverr affiliate program, first, navigate to the Fiverr website. Scroll down to the footer section of the homepage. Look for the link titled Affiliates and click on it. Once on the Affiliates page, click on the Join Now button. You will be redirected to the Sign Up page. Fill in the required details, including your email address and password. Choose whether you want to sign up using your Facebook or Google account for convenience. Review Fiverr's affiliate program terms and conditions. After reading, check the box to agree to them. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Now, you need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Fiverr. Open the email and click the verification link provided. After verifying, return to the Fiverr affiliate dashboard. Complete your profile by adding necessary information, such as your website or social media links. Select your preferred payment method for receiving commissions. Fiverr offers options like PayPal and bank transfers. Take the time to review the commission structure outlined by Fiverr. Familiarize yourself with the available marketing materials and tools. These resources will help you promote Fiverr services effectively. Once your profile is complete, you can start generating affiliate links. Browse through Fiverr's services and choose the ones you wish to promote. Create a unique referral link for each service you select. Use these links in your content to direct potential customers to Fiverr. Track your performance through the affiliate dashboard. This will show you clicks, conversions, and potential earnings. Regularly update your promotion strategies to maximize your success. Stay informed about Fiverr's latest services and offers to enhance your referrals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.